Everybody knows Paris. The grand boulevards, the cafes, the elegant avenues that have inspired artists, writers, and travelers for generations. But this isn't that Paris. This remarkable map, published in 1811, reveals a city at the height of its influence, yet on the eve of its greatest transformation. Paris was the political, cultural, and intellectual heartbeat of Europe. Napoleon's empire stretched across much of the continent, and ideas born within these streets would shape the modern world. Yet beneath that influence lay a city whose foundations belonged to another age. At first glance, this appears to be the capital of a modern empire. But look closer. Its streets are narrow and winding. Entire neighborhoods follow patterns established centuries earlier. Even the 12 cities' color-coded arrondissements reflect an older administrative Paris, one organized long before the sweeping reforms that would redefine it. Now compare this map with one drawn nearly 300 years before. The framework is unmistakable. The islands, the bridges, the street network. Paris had grown, but it had grown upon the same medieval skeleton. For hundreds of years, Paris had evolved within its medieval frame. Then, it broke free. Under Napoleon III and Baron Haussmann, medieval neighborhoods disappeared. Beneath broad boulevards, ancient streets gave way to grand avenues. The city expanded, reorganized, and reinvented itself. Even these 12 arrondissements would be replaced by the 20 districts that define Paris today. This map captured the final moment before that transformation. Not the Paris the world remembers, but the Paris that made it possible. Every map has a story to tell. And this one reminds us that even the world's greatest cities are never finished. They're continually shaped by the choices of those who build them, preserve them, and sometimes reinvent them. We're here to uncover those stories. Welcome to Cities Through Time.